People are holding billions in stablecoins, but they still can't pay their rent, bills, travel, wages, or suppliers with them. TrustLink finally lets you pay anyone in Aussie dollars straight from crypto. I'm not a financial advisor, but let's get into it. Hey guys. So this is the TrustLink landing page. You'll find the link to this in the video description. All right. It's tackling one of the biggest gaps in today's crypto scene, which is not being able to use your digital assets easily for real-world payments. And that's something I'm honestly really stoked about, if I could actually use me crypto assets. Because, to be honest with you, I'm not saying banks are a bad thing, but usually I just leave my assets sitting on centralized exchanges. Basically, the top centralized exchanges out there. Yes, you're right. And then I chuck it into things like earn programs and all that. That way, it's actually making me something instead of just sitting idle in my bank account. You know what I mean? Now, if I've got this feature, like what TrustLink offers, where I can actually use those assets, instead of still having to transfer it to the bank and then use the debit card and all that stuff, if I could use TrustLink to just pay my bills or whatever I need directly from here, then that's actually a really good thing you could look into. Now, while exchanges are set up for trading rather than spending, and fiat on and off ramps usually only let you pay out to your own bank account, most merchants still don't take crypto directly at this stage. So, as a result, millions of people can hold stablecoins, but they struggle to use them for everyday spending. That's basically the main problem that TrustLink is actually solving. TrustLink is a Swiss-regulated crypto-to-fiat payment platform that's designed to bridge this gap. It lets users hold stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or EURC in a TrustLink wallet and then convert them into real-world payments without needing a personal bank account. That's definitely something I'd recommend you have a look at. So after doing a one-off KYC or KYB process, users just enter the recipient's details, pick the fiat currency, set the amount, and then send the crypto. Simple as that. Is that easy, folks? No rocket science, nothing complicated, no tricky process or anything like that. Just straight to the point. You can get what you need done in just a few clicks or a couple of taps on your phone. Now, TrustLink takes care of the conversion and sends out fiat payouts in over 70 currencies straight to the recipients who never have to deal with crypto at any stage. That's brilliant. Now, folks, built under Swiss financial intermediary regulations, TrustLink operates with full AML and KYC compliance. You get transparent transaction flows and a clear audit trail. So this regulatory foundation builds strong credibility and trust with banking partners, institutions, and businesses that need compliance-grade Cayman infrastructure. And TrustLink supports a wide range of real-world use cases. People can pay for rent, hotels, travel services, goods, professional services, and cross-border expenses without needing a bank account. So it's really handy, especially if you're planning a travel overseas. You don't have to exchange currency or deal with the hassle of going to a bank to swap you whatever currency you've got into the currency you need for that particular country. Righto, folks. TrustLink for contractor payments, settling up with suppliers, office rent, payroll, and international running costs. It's also just the click of a button now. And by turning those stable coins into spendable cash, TrustLink is changing crypto from something you just hold on to into a practical financial tool. Now, you can actually go ahead and check that out. You got both personal and business options right here. You can switch between them. All right, so folks, just for reference, you can actually go ahead and click on pricing up here. Then you'll see the tier levels for both incoming and outgoing fees, as well as their FX conversion rates. So it's also a good idea, guys, to check this every now and then to make sure you've got the latest pricing. This is for personal, and there's business pricing as well. So you can check out the different tier levels for USDT, USDC, and their respective fees. Each tier has its own percentage rates as well. So go ahead and have a look at that. The link for that will be in the video description. And these are the partners they've got. Now, I'd recommend you include this in your own research too. That way, you'll know exactly what you're getting into. So you'll also get a better idea about who TrustLink basically is. You can even flick them an email if you've got any questions, and their address is listed here too. And you'll also find their mission statement right here. Alright, so I'd also recommend having a look at this as well. Basically, when you're checking out projects, especially crypto projects, I really encourage you to go through the whole website, all the available links and their social media platforms. Check all of those out. That way, you'll always be in the know about what you're doing. And, if they've got any updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, or anything like that, you'll always be kept in the loop. It's down the bottom of the page. You've got their X account and their LinkedIn as well. So the first 1,000 sign-ups, folks, get lifetime tier pricing. So once those spots are snapped up, the offer's over. Use the link. It's in the video description, folks, to lock in your spot. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you're always notified. When I upload new videos like this in the future, I'll catch you in the next one. All right, peace.